Make sure you mount it the right way, check the direction of the tire, and put it over the duck head first. Position the duck head at 12 o'clock, and for mounting, the tire needs to be positioned over the duck head always diagonally, so that you can see the head of the duck while the tail of the duck remains under the tire. Push the bead on as much as you can with your hands. Usually the first bead goes on without the help from the duck head. You might have to use the duck head for mounting the first bead as well. For the second bead, also get the tire over the duck head the same way, diagonally, so you can see the nose of the duck while the tail of the duck stays behind the tire. And since I'm dealing with a pretty hard carcass tire here, it is needed to use the drop center tools. I will mount the first one here at around 1 o'clock. Then I will grab the operating handle and start mounting. And at the same time, make sure that the tire that you have already mounted stays in the drop center. In this case here, with Bridgestone Battlax, I will need a help from another drop center tool. This one I will mount around 9 or 10 o'clock, and continue mounting with the duck head. And at the same time, pay close attention that the tire that you have already mounted, the bead, gets into the drop center of the rim. You might need to help it a little bit. And in case you feel that you are using all your force, too much force, and it's still not moving and you can hear the tire cracking, then most likely you don't have the tire in the drop center from the top here. You don't have enough bead grease, or the tire is simply too cold for mounting. And now you can see the tire has nicely slided into the drop center. The drop center tools here are helping it. And the second bead is now mounted. Remove the drop center tools, and you can use the bead breaker to help getting the duck head dismounted.